So this is coming from the battery. There's a little black, two little whites, the negative cable, and the positive cable coming from the battery. The black cable goes all the way up here and goes up to there just to power a little light over there. So that's independent. And then the two white ones go where? One goes
up to here. And the other one goes to the yellow
Right,
wire.
and then we're hooking the yellow from the motor to the white here. So this would be 12 volts going back to the motor, right?
Yeah, to that first battery.
Right, and then here's the black, the negative from the motor to the other side of the circuit breaker. Make sure I got that on there for him. There. And then the positive coming back from the battery goes up
To the common.
yeah, to the switch. So that's red, black, and there's the yellow to the white. And then here's the batteries, which was nothing touched on the batteries. And you can see two white cables, a little black cable, red and black. So I am positive these are all hooked up correctly because this is the way it was before and ran the buffer.